Alright, let's unbox aaPanel from AppSumo. Look at this clean packaging, super sleek branding. I've been waiting to try aaPanel for weeks. Let's see what makes it a must-have for web pros. Opening the box, I spot the aaPanel logo instantly. The anticipation is real. Will it simplify server management? Here's the welcome card. Manage your hosting easily. First impression, everything looks so organized and inviting. Alright, let's boot up aaPanel on my laptop. The installation process is surprisingly quick and smooth. No confusing steps, just follow the prompts. Dashboard loads up. Wow, this interface is super intuitive. Menus are clear, icons are modern, nothing feels overwhelming. Let's add a new website, just a few clicks needed. I'm not lost searching for settings, everything's right here. Adding SSL? It's literally 2 clicks away. Managing databases is aaPanel makes it almost too easy. File Manager looks polished and straightforward. You can upload, edit, or move files instantly. I'm loving how user-friendly this control panel feels. No technical jargon, just clear, simple options. Let's talk features. Why choose aaPanel over others? Effortless server and website management is a huge win. You don't need to be a server expert here. The control panel is designed for real people. It's perfect for web developers, IT pros, and small businesses. Affordable hosting solution thanks to AppSumo's exclusive deal. You get premium features at a fraction of the price. Security tools are built in, protect your sites easily. Backup options are clear and simple to set up. Want to monitor server health? aaPanel's dashboard shows everything. Resource usage graphs help you optimize performance. I'm impressed by the speed, nothing lags or hangs. Even with multiple websites, management stays seamless. Customizable settings let you tailor the experience. You can install plugins for extra functionality. If you're tired of clunky hosting panels, try aaPanel. It's genuinely refreshing compared to traditional options. Would I recommend aaPanel? Absolutely, for beginners and pros. It saves time, reduces headaches, and boosts productivity. No more endless support tickets for basic tasks. Everything's in your hands, no steep learning curve. The AppSumo deal makes it even more attractive. Why pay more for complicated hosting solutions? aaPanel delivers value without sacrificing quality. If you run multiple sites, this is a game changer. Small business owners can finally manage hosting themselves. Web developers will love the streamlined workflow. IT professionals, this saves you hours every week. I'm sticking with aaPanel for my own projects. Ready to simplify your server management? Check out aaPanel on AppSumo before the deal ends. Link in the description. Don't miss out. Try aaPanel today and see the difference yourself. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you next time.